Every Sunday morning, a kind baker woke up early. He worked in a small bakery on a quiet street. The bakery smelled warm and sweet every day. People loved his bread, but the baker also loved helping others. Near his bakery lived a poor family. They had little money and sometimes did not have enough food. The baker saw the mother and her 2 children many times. They always smiled, but he could see they were struggling. One Sunday, the baker had an idea. He took one fresh loaf of warm bread from his oven. He walked quietly to the family's small house and put the loaf on their doorstep. Then he walked away without knocking. When the family opened the door and found the bread, they were surprised. The children were excited. They held the warm bread close and smiled. The mother looked around, but no one was there. She felt thankful. The next Sunday, the baker did the same thing. He left another loaf of bread. Week after week, he continued. He never told anyone. Helping them made his heart warm. One Sunday, something different happened. When the baker reached the doorstep, the bread was gone, but on the ground, he saw a small handmade card. It was made of simple paper, colored with crayons. On the card, it said, "Thank you for feeding us. Your kindness means everything." The baker read the words slowly. His eyes became wet. He felt a deep happiness in his heart. He didn't need money or praise. The card was enough. He walked back to his bakery with a big smile.